Yo, what's up, everybody? Yep, we're back here on another episode here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance. And we're repairing the strut towers on the 3-valve swap Fox. And we're about buttoning up the one side, and we finished, pretty much finished welding it all up. We ran out of wire for the welder, so we're gonna have to get some more spools. I think they're like 20 bucks a piece. I'll probably need like 2 more. But we're going to show you where we're at with everything. So let's take a look. So I'm repairing the strut towers on this. As you can see, they're rotted out. They're not super bad, but in order for me to keep this, I gotta do these. And while I'm doing it, I decided to do a little smoothing of the bay, give it almost a factory look. So we welded some stuff up behind here. You can see all this welds coming through from welding all the holes up. You know, it's not no perfect job, but it's not that bad. And then I spot welded some holes, and then I'm gonna spot weld one of them big holes. But that's the back side. Let's get up under here, show you a little closer. Don't beat me up too bad on my welding. Definitely could use some improvement, but it ain't super horrible. So this is some of my welding. Like I said, I'm not no professional. I don't do this every day. But I've definitely improved. We got the rear piece. Need a couple little spots. Welding in these holes. A couple little imperfections. Welded that back on. So now it's gonna give it a smoother look. Now I'm not painting this or anything. I'm just gonna go with what I had on it, something similar to like truck bed lining or some kind of underneath coating. So after I grind all these welds down a little bit, I'm gonna body work it slightly, and then it's not going to be super perfect. The truck bed lining or undercoating will cover up a lot of the imperfections. This isn't no show car. I just figured, why not do a little extra while I'm in here repairing. So you can kind of see I welded this whole top piece. There was a couple spot welds. You can kind of see us where I spot welded some of them you can't see. And then I welded down through there, and then back there I welded down. So, and then right here I welded all the way across for the strut tower, and then the frame to the strut tower, and then the frame to frame. And then these smooth pieces, they're the same, almost the same thickness of what the frame is, so I figured it would help stiffen it up while repairing the strut towers. So let's get out of here. But that's what the bay's looking like. I want to give you a little short clip. Might throw some primer on it, then hit the grinds tomorrow while we're kind of finishing up here. And then we have to start on the next side. So this side almost was a spool and a half of welding. I'm expecting this side to be another spool and a half of welding. So you can see like all these holes, all those holes. Now this side didn't have as many, but I welded all those holes up. Then you can kind of see I welded the bigs up today. Gonna have to do some body work, but that's what the 3-valve engine bay on the Foxbody's looking like. So, like I said, don't beat me up too bad. There's always going to be somebody that can do it better. I'm just doing what I can do and learning on the way. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a little short update of where my strut tower repair is at. Hope you digging this construction that I'm doing on this, and I want you guys to keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in. We got plenty more coming, so you know what to do. Until them next videos, peace.